Hey everybody, I'm back with another What's in the Box. And today, something I picked up a couple weekends back. It is Evangelion Unit-01 Real Grade. So I'm a huge fan of Evangelion, and I don't do a lot of Gundam models. I tinkered around with them a little bit, putting back and forth. So the reason I say Gundam is because it's a Bandai kit, and it's built, I guess, in a lot of the same way that some of those kits go together. And the real grade means there's an armature under there, supposedly. I have not seen one of these in person. I don't know what it looks like in there, and I just kind of want to get into it and see what the sprues look like and share them with you. So this is Evangelion Unit 1 from Bandai. It's a real grade level kit, which means there's some sort of armature in there. I have not built one of those before. I do not know anything about them. I just love Evangelion. When I saw this, I had to pick it up. I picked it up at Just for Fun in Peoria, Illinois. I think I paid $52 for it, which I'm not sure if that's a good price or not. I just wanted to help out that store. It's a great store, and if you're in Peoria, Illinois, or traveling through there, stop in there. A great model shop. Not really models, but more miniatures and games and things. But I have not opened this yet. I tried to. I cut the first label off, or the label, but strap, and I knocked my coffee on the floor, and now it smells like coffee. So I had to stop and start over. So let's get with it and cut this final one and see what we have. Now the box is pretty cool. It's your typical Gundam style box. A lot of little stuff on the sides and that sort of thing. But let's just kind of go through what some of the details are. And it's just more of scale and pieces and things. I wanted you to see. Typical Gundam style. So I think I will go ahead and open some of these so we can get some of these parts out. And I'm sure that crinkling is just awful. And so let's start with this. Stickers. Yeah, they're stickers. So they're not decals, which kind of, if you don't like doing decals, stickers are always better. Bunch of different hands, weapons. You have your gun. There's a couple parts in there. Let's see what else is in here. For my sprue people. They are molded, so if you didn't want to paint it, it looks like you wouldn't have to, which is good, but I think you should probably paint it. At least do the lines and stuff, but it looks like it's molded in the right colors. So these would be the armature pieces, I'm guessing. It says the parts move to make it look like it's muscle or something too when I was reading on the side of it. I'll probably do a build of this online at some point, or do a video. Now this, yeah. Pretty nice. Some clear red. This piece looks like it's for one thing. I'm not sure what that is. Okay. And there we go. A couple more pieces. Here's some orange. See the bottom of the feet there, perhaps. Yep. And it's a little tiny, maybe. I don't know. And here's kind of the biggest package, which I'm guessing is quite a bit of the armature parts. Oh, and it's bendable. It's a wire that connects. If you know Evangelion, you know where it goes. That's kind of cool. And more, there's the knife, a folded knife, regular knife. Pretty sweet. So let's take a look and see what else we got in the box. Assembly instructions, Japanese. plastic model lineup from Bandai. And then here's your instruction manual. So let's kind of look at that real quick. That's going to give us a better idea with what we're doing. It's clear. Pictures are nice. It looks like there's a moving check, which is something new. So it shows that those pieces move in conjunction together to make, because there's parts of this model that should be moving, which is kind of cool. Weapons, moving check, his joints move there. Yeah, the umbilical cable. The entry plug I didn't see. It's in there somewhere. It does fit. That's what I wanted to know, to make sure that the entry plug goes into the back of their head. I had the perfect grade kit of this a long time ago. I still have it, but it's in shambles, and it was hard to kind of keep together with that rubber kind of bodysuit that went over the armature. But here's the back of the instruction book. But I'm kind of excited. A new Evangelion kit. Yeah, that's it. It was just a what's in the box. So that's what's in the box. Some sprues, and this instruction book. And one day, hopefully, I'll build this kit. Thanks for joining me. I'll talk to you later.